That lady's straight up checking me out. I wouldn't blame her. You know, I'm looking good. I'm looking sexy as fuck on this bike. I got my sweet leather jacket, the boots, everything. She can't take her eyes off me. Look at her. She's like, damn, I wish my man was like this. Well, guess what? You could get it. No, not really. It's not that easy. You can't just look at me and then get it. Nah, gotta work for it. Well, hello ladies and gents. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. And hello motorcycle. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. Hey birds, get out of here. Get off my damn bike. Jeez. Alright. I'm about to ride this puppy. I'm about to operate this machine to Williburg. Let me turn this puppy on. Adjust the mirror. My little CRG lane splitter mirror has been giving me the griefs. Perhaps I shouldn't drop my bike anymore, but who knows? No, that's a sweet little Porsche. Who knows? Nobody knows the name of it then. All right, let's ride. Enough is enough. Enough yapping. Time to cruise. Look at this beautiful machine. Yes, photo op. If I were you, I'd photo op, bro. Definitely photo op up in this bitch. Oh, look at this savage. He stopped in my lane. Yeah, piece of shit. Who stops here? That person. It's a lady on the phone. All right, here we go. Let's see. Tourism up in this bitch. Go ahead, people. You got it. Do it, no? Okay. Let's do it. Come on, Honda. Yes. The bike feels pretty good. It feels pretty ripe. Pretty cold. So it's ready for rumblings. A cold bike means a happy bike, right? I think that's what it means. We're just making sure my camera is still recording, because for a second I thought I heard the beep 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 of death. You know, the triple beep. The triple beep, that means no more recording. You know, this morning my little cheap knockoff little lever here gave me a bit of a grief. Like, I don't know, like as if my clutch got a little stuck or some stupid thing like that. So there's always something. So I guess that's why people make $100 levers or $200 levers versus $20 levers. Not sure what those guys were doing, but we'll let them be. Turn down my little accelerator, my throttle advance. That's what it's called. I used to call this thing the choke, but it's actually called the throttle advance. That's right. Man, I am sweating. I am so fucking hot. Right now it's 30 degrees and there was this threat of fucking snow and blah blah blah. And I'm wearing so many layers. It's crazy. It's crazy. I'm like a Russian nesting doll, you know? A Russian nesting doll of sorts. Woo! Yes. Oh, now I'm cooling down. I was about to say I'm sweating on the inside. I'm all moist and wet. Is this person? Nice turn signal for a big fucking truck. Sure did not use the turn signal, Grandpa. Son of a bitch. And this guy's like, yo, this turn is too fast. I better slow down, bro. What are you doing? Not sure. maneuvers, I tell you. It's crazy out there. It's crazy, it's crazy. Oh, you son of a breadbasket. You son of a dirty potato. There you go. You got it, bro. Nice. We cooking. We're cooking with butter. I gotta stop wearing hoodies, because right now, like, my hoodie that I'm wearing, the hood is acting like a freaking parachute, slowing me the funk down unnecessarily. I keep forgetting to tuck the freaking thing in. Woo! Woo! I'm gonna get some gas, even though it's freezing. I just know that next time I ride, I'm gonna need gas, and it's gonna be entirely too cold. Definitely don't need that. What's happening? Everybody's slowing down. Don't want to get too excited now. This is why there's traffic, because one fucking asshole decides that they gotta drive like 30 miles per hour, you know? So it's like, no, 45 is way too fast, let's drive 30. And that person dictates everything. Look how big of a gap there is ahead. All sorts of gaps, yet we're not even going the speed limit. Why? Because people like to go slow. Because people like to create traffic. That's how they feel like they're God. Alright, this is going to be a crazy maneuver. That was a wild maneuver, but it had to be done. At times, wild maneuvers do happen. Here we are. Gonna get some giz ass up in that ass. Will I make that light? You never know. Please, no cars. Please, no cars. Yes. Nope. Yes. Maybe. Maybe. Yes. No. And now the FedEx truck decided to stop in the middle of the whole mama papa. Look at that building right there in the corner. That's been there, rusty and destroyed for a minute now. Crazy. Crazy. It's not even that cold. Yeah, I was gonna say, like, I was sweating earlier a second ago because I'm just layered up. I just have too many layers going on. But it's necessary when it's fucking below freezing, you know? Can't be toying and playing games. Alright. Here we are, here we go, here we be. What we got here? A little Harley, two little Harleys. That's cool. Excursion. Do I want to get ahead of these people? Nah, let them be. Why are you Oh no, sorry, never mind. I honked because a lady was walking too slow. That's because I'm a rude piece of shit. Sorry, lady. No harm, no foul. Take your sweet time. Walk as fast or as slow as you wanna. It's really not a big enchilada. I'm gonna get past these mofos. Not sure what this guy's doing. Is he going straight? Is he turning? Hard to tell, really. Oh, this building is brand new. And there's already people living in there. It's crazy how fast they occupy brand new buildings in this mofo. Is this person going straight, or am I about to hit him? What are you doing, buddy? Good Lord. Whoa. Oh, look, the gas light just came on. I am so smart. I'm in tune with this machine. Me and machine, this machine specifically, communicate. We have a telekinesis. Oh, look at these wheels. They're orange with freaking red nipples. This car is dope. I used to really want one of these Civics. These Civics are dope. What year is this thing, you guys? Like 2005 or something? Maybe? 2002? I don't know. But I do like these little hatchbacks. I would get one. I would legit get one. I would legit get one day. Come on, baby. Here we are. Here we be. Time to get some gasoline. I need to wash this puppy again. Look at this. Poor dials and poor everything is just dirty. Foul. And I'm sick. I'm coughing and coughing up a storm and boogers everywhere and all sorts of things. I don't know what to tell you guys. The whole thing is falling apart. The whole goddamn thing is falling apart. I'm gonna get some gas. You know what? I think I'm gonna show you guys how I get gas. You know, why not? Come on, Jeep. Move it. You amateur nerd. What is going on here? Is there no gas here? In the whole fucking gas station? Son of a bitch. There's gas over here, I'm guessing. Is he going? Yo, are you waiting for this or no? No. Because this guy is gonna take forever. Who freaking parks in front of the pump and then goes to pay for it? Dumbass. Hello. Alright, I'm gonna turn off the machine. I'm gonna turn off the machine. Oh look, there's steam coming off my gloves. Queasy. Alright, I'm gonna put this little thing in here.
Johnson, how are you?
A what?
Johnson.
Johnson. I'm not sure, man, sorry. That guy's asking me for directions. Nobody knows directions nowadays. Use your GPS, bro. Use your GPS. Here we go. Gonna pop this puppy open. Look at this nastiness. Should clean it up in there. I will. Another day. There we are. I never take this long. I never, ever take this long filling up. Are they filling up a car or a freaking jumbo jet? Who knows?
Nobody knows.
What is it, Johnson Avenue? This sounds familiar, but I'm...
This guy knows.
There we go. It's almost my turn. With some patience and understanding. Here we are. Oh boy. There we go. Here we are, getting some gas. Not a big enchilada. Only 5 minutes later. Man, it's crazy how steam is just coming off me. Mad steam. Steam Central. Come on, baby. Yes, they picked an inopportune time to mess with their gas pumps. A little over 3 gallons. Not a bad thingy. Here we go. Yep. All right. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. Just like so. Screw the hippies. Here we are. Back on the vlog, recording. 9 seconds later, we're gonna move. Motorcycle safety school, right there. Good stuff. All right, let's go. Come on, baby. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that sweet sugar. Give me that sweet, sweet, succulent sugar. Ja, ja, ja. Hi, hi. See how I'm like canceling turn signals and all that? Haha. I have a little secret coming up where, I mean, I'm sure you can figure out what the secret is, but I'm not gonna have to cancel my turn signals in a little bit. That lady's straight up checking me out. I wouldn't blame her. You know, I'm looking good. I'm looking sexy as fuck on this bike. I got my sweet leather jacket, the boots, everything. She can't take her eyes off me. Look at her. She's like, damn, I wish my man was like this. Well, guess what? You could get it. No, not really. It's not that easy. You can't just look at me and then get it. Nah, gotta work for it. Look at this savagery. I don't know what's happening here, but me no care. Me no care. I got everything in my pockets, everything zipped up. Good stuff. Later today, I'm gonna go to Dirty Billy. Hang out there for a couple hours, drink a beer or two. Hell, why not? We're all adults here. Ah, oh, the son of a bitch truck. Come on. Give me that green, green, green butter. Anywho, boys and girls, I'm gonna talk to you later. It is now time for me to say goodbye for this vlog. We did everything. We've rode together. Oh, nice turn signal, you fucking schmuck. What's with the huge ass trucks and no turn signals? These goddamn hippie amateur drivers. Anyway, talk to you later, bros. Bye bye.